What's going on, guys? It's me, HB here, HB Angry Boy, however you guys want to call me, and I'm back with an episode. As you guys could see, well, I'm putting these tires. Oh shit, I got truck. These tires on my truck, and there were these ones. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna sand this out. You know, there's like rust. I'm gonna sand it out, and then I'm gonna paint this black, and I paint the calipers red for now. And now I'm gonna take this tire off, this wheel off, and do the same thing. Sand this. Like, I don't know if you guys could see, but there's like rust there. And yeah, you guys might be wondering what a puss, you're wearing gloves. I got a cut here with those rims, and I don't want my cut to get infected. It was pretty deep. I cut myself with the inside of this. Yeah. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to take this wheel off. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I think this episode is gonna be pretty short. So my dad went to buy some paint. So to paint the thing, we need the sorry, I'm getting this for you guys. Stand. I'm getting the, yeah, he's getting the paint so we could paint the thing. And what else? Oh yeah, the paint is hot resistant, so it won't like melt on us. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. So I'm gonna take the thing off. I already loosened the bolts, but now I need to take it off so I can take off the wheel. So right now these tires are like 4 inches taller like from here to here, taller than the other tires, the other wheels. So my truck's gonna be, when I put those wheels on, it's gonna be 4 inches lower, 4 inches dropped. It's gonna be pretty beast. I want my truck to be not that drop. I don't want my truck to be scraping on the floor. I just want it to drop, and yeah. So this is the next, the second part of the truck project. So hope you guys enjoy this. Ow. These tires are pretty heavy. They're like 100 pounds or so. So yeah, Like I'm pretty sweaty right now. I'm gonna go get the sandpaper so I can sand it down. But yeah, I'm gonna just get my bandana so I could wipe my sweat off. Oh shit. And I'll be right back. I'm gonna get the sandpaper and then I'll go take you guys back if I can, if I have time. So see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, I'm back. So I got these sandpapers. I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm not a sandpaper master, so I don't know which grit is gonna work the best. So I just got this band, the sandpaper band, and I got this. So I need to sand that. I'm gonna see which of these work the best. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna show you guys now. I'm sorry if the car noises bother you, but I'm right next to the road, so bear with me, guys. Which this bugs me already. It's so hot outside, like you guys can imagine, it's hot. In my opinion, I don't think sanding is gonna make a difference, but you're just like taking off the rust dust, the dust, and that makes sure that your paint's not like doesn't come off that easy. See guys, I'm not a puss. I have a glove in this hand, I have no glove in this hand. And this hand is pretty dirty. So, yeah. Having an old truck is dealing with rust. And I'm sweating like a bitch. I'm going to use a cardboard box because the floor is hot and it's burning my knees. And I don't want to use pants because it's hot. Sit down. Hope these wheels make my truck lighter. I'm going to do this. I'm gonna do the same thing over there. I'm doing this. So I'm gonna skip through this so you guys don't have to watch me do this thing, because this is gonna be taking me pretty long. I'll just bring you guys when it's painted, when the calipers and this is painted. I'll show you guys, and you guys don't have to bother about the next side. Is gonna be the same exact thing. I'm just gonna show you guys when this side is painted, because if this side is painted, it's gonna be the same exact thing as the other side. So yeah, and I'm gonna show you guys too when the wheels are on, and when the truck is like down without the jack stands and all of that shit. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys. Okay guys, I'm back, and Well, as you guys could see, my dad is painting the calipers, the brakes. Right now he's trying to clean the disc because it's full of paint. He's just stripping it off. Well, that's how the calipers turned out, and that's how they're supposed to look, in my opinion. I'm gonna show you guys the other side, how it turned out. Show you guys how it looks with the red calipers and the tires and the wheels. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm back. This time I'm gonna show you guys how it came out. And there it is. There it is, the truck. I'm just get you guys in an angle. Let's see if I can. That's the truck. There's the calipers over there, right there. Maybe you guys could see it. This looks pretty cool. And I painted the drums, the brake drums, right there. And yeah. Probably my next project, the next time, I'm gonna lower my truck a little bit more, like here, like so you see it's here, right? It's here. I'm gonna lower it to here, so it's gonna be a little bit more dropped. Yeah, so well, and this is how I want my truck to look, just for your information. I don't want it to be exactly the same. I just want it to be similar, because I know the rims are not the same, the wheels. But I will end up getting the bumper right, oh my god, right here. If you guys could see my finger pointing at it, right there. And I'll probably get the grill too. Probably get the grill and the hood. I'm gonna get the hood too. I'm gonna drop it a little bit more, like how that truck looks. I know the wheels, the tires are not the exact same, but they're similar. So, and the 454 SS, I'm gonna put that too in my truck. My truck is not yet a 454 because it has a 1500 with the motor 1500, that type of truck, the Silverado 1500. And I'm gonna end up putting a 454 LSX motor on it. I'm gonna engine swap it. What else am I gonna do to it? Might put the bed lid. I'm gonna put a bed lid on it, a cap or lid, whatever you guys want to call it. What else? I'm gonna put the next part is gonna be like motor. Basically, it's gonna be like an intake supercharger. I don't know if I get a supercharger or pro charger. I don't know. What else? Probably some headers and probably some new exhaust, because I have a Flowmaster, one exit tip, just this one exit. I'm gonna get two exit tips, like one that side and one to the left and one to the right. I'm gonna end up getting that. And yeah, well, just to let you know how I want my truck to look. So this is the picture of it. I don't want it to be exactly the same, but it's gonna be similar to this truck, just for your information, FYI. Yeah, guys, so yeah, so signing off. See you. Oh shit. I'll see you guys next time.